This is homegrown in the backyard.
The most important of the Jamaican sorrel drink, yes, the most white overproof rum bar rum.
Hi guys,
Hey.
welcome to our kitchen. Today we have something exciting to share with you. What will we be doing?
Well, today I will be assisting my mom in making the famous Jamaican
Sorrel,
Yes.
homemade Jamaican sorrel, and we just want to share the ingredients that we're going to use quickly. Have you ever seen me do sorrel before? Don't lie.
I cannot recall.
Alright, definitely I've never done sorrel for them before, but we always just buy it. But I'm showing him today how to get it done from scratch. There's not a lot to do really. You just need your sorrel. As I have shown you before, we need our sorrel. Of course, we are going to need our ginger, and Jonathan was the one who cleaned up and prepared the ginger for us.
Chef myself.
Alright, we're definitely going to need our strainer to do some straining when it is prepared. Of course, sorrel is prepared in two stages. First, we have the preparatory stage where, as you can see here, our water is boiling. So you're going to need to boil your water and put the ginger in, so we get all the extract, the strong ginger. Oh, the ginger when you drink it, you feel it and go down in it. Right, so we need the ginger. Of course, a lot of persons don't. Some people use it as a preservative, but you can put some pimento seeds into your ginger juice. Yes.
And the most important of the Jamaican sorrel drink, yes, the most white overproof rum bar rum. And mommy, show them the other one.
Of course, it's a tradition for persons to use red label wine. Well, it's a tradition for my mom to use red label wine. But of course, you can use any wine of your choice. I just stick with this one that I have seen my mom use over the years and I enjoy. And persons use many other kinds of wine. Use the one that you like, alright? But for me, red label wine. Turn on the trills. Okay, so basically what I'll be doing today, first up, we're going to put our ginger in the water to extract all the juice from the ginger. The objective is just to get that juice out to enhance the taste of the sorrel. Now, most persons just go ahead and crush the ginger and cook it in the pot.
But you know that they don't get all the nutrients like that, right?
You don't get everything from it. So what I'll be doing today is definitely, Jonathan, you want to do the honors? We are going to we're going to blend our ginger really. And of course, we are going to put it in the pot just the same. But we are going to be blending our ginger. Alright? So you want to just add a little water to that and let us get the blending going. Is that good? Definitely. Because what happened is we want to make sure we get as much of the juice from it as possible. So here we have it. We are now going to add this to our pot for boiling.
And the water in the pot is already boiling, so that's just right in time.
Alright, so once we put that in, of course I told you that we're going to do our straining. So we're going to leave our ginger to boil a bit, and while it's been boiled, then we're going to wash our sorrel properly. We want to wash our sorrel thoroughly. So now that you have our ginger boiling, and remember I tell you, some persons have opted to just press the ginger. I like to do it this way because I get more from the ginger when I do it this way. Now all I'm going to do is going to be adding my sorrel to, I've already washed my sorrel, and all I'll be doing is adding it to the ginger, and I'm going to let it boil for no more than 10 minutes. So we are waiting for our sorrel and ginger to boil together. I'm going to be adding a few additional ingredients. Definitely I'll be using cloves and pimento. So I'll be adding those to our mixture to enhance taste and also use to preserve our sorrel, because sorrel can be kept for a very long time once you put the necessary preservative in there. Rum, of course, is one of the major ingredients to preserve. So we're going to put in a few, no more than this, cloves in our sorrel. We put a few more. Alright. And of course, as I said before, we'll put in some pimento seeds. Remember I said before, I'm only putting it to cook for 10 minutes. And the reason for that is sorrel is prepared in 2 stages. You have the preparatory stage where you use your ginger, your cloves, your pimento, and cook the sorrel itself. After that, you have to let it sit and cool for, you have to let it sit until it is cool, and then you have your alcohol and you use your sugar, or some persons choose to use syrup, whichever one you choose to use, or sometimes I just drink it without any sugar, any sweetener, any at all. So it is your choice and how you choose to do it. So let us just quickly share with you why you should drink sorrel. Quickly too, let me say that there is a 3-month and a 6-month sorrel. I think the one that I have is that I am using is a 3 months, because it couldn't be more than 3 months ago that I planted it, and it is ready to be had. Okay, so JT, you want to Google quickly and let us see the benefits of sorrel. We need to know what we are putting into our bodies and the benefits, the nutritional benefits from it.
Well, for one, according to the Jamaica Gleaner, in some parts of Africa, the red calyx of the sorrel is used to relieve coughs, while leaves are made into a poultice to relieve boils and abscesses. Sorrel has been proven to reduce the risk of heart disease by lowering bad cholesterol and helping to prevent clotted arteries. As a plant with significant amounts of vitamin A, sorrel can help to improve poor eyesight and prevent age-related ocular degeneration. So
there we have it. You can already see that it's acquiring its red color. By the time it is cool, then definitely all the color will, the right nice red color will come up. What you're seeing at the top is just the pimento and the cloves. Okay, the color is already removed from most of it. We're just going to leave it to sit there until it is cool, and then after that we will definitely return to mix up and taste up. Okay, all right, so our sorrel is now cool. Jonathan has gone to sleep, so my husband is going to assist me in getting it ready. And as I said, making the sorrel is in 2 phases. And this afternoon, what we'll be doing is just straining off the sorrel trash from the juice, and then we're going to sweeten to taste. I think we need to put all of this in there.
No, that's too much.
That's so much. How
And
much do you think?
this is a red label. We're going to tone it down with the red label. Go ahead, you can go ahead. Yeah, you got all that. Okay, that's it. You don't want to get drunk.
You can do this tonight, right?
No, that's strong wine anyway, so you have to get it. Alright, that's okay, that's okay. Good. This is home grown. In the backyard.
So, here you have it. Our own homemade sorrel from our farm. It could have been richer in color, but I think I placed too much water into the pot, and so that rich color that it should have had, it doesn't, but the taste has not diminished. The ingredients is right, and so the taste is good, optimal. There you have it. Nice and refreshing, chilled, ready to go. Right, Titus?
Yes, I'm ready to go.
So don't be afraid to try it now. You can get sorrel at your local supermarket, or if you have farmers in your area, you can get it, but it is available sometimes all year round. And so get your sorrel and try our recipe. I'll include the ingredients in the description below, so check it out and try. Until next time, this is Tracy saying walk good.